Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So a new update for Headless Browser API just landed, and this is a big one because the API was updated and it is now using a pool of 200,000 proxies to access the resources you wish to scrape using it. So until now, if you access, for example, Facebook too often using the API, you might have got blocked because Facebook detected that you accessed their site from the same IP address. So the IP address of the server where the API was located. But starting from now, by default and for free, without any extra charge, the API will be using a rotating proxy service, and it will have a pool of 200,000 proxies in which will mask your requests, and Facebook will see each request coming from a different IP address. So the API will make many requests to Facebook, and Facebook will see each request coming from a different IP address, and they will not block these requests that you make using the scraping methods of the API. So this is available now for free without any extra charge in the Headless in the Headless Browser API. So you will not have to pay anything in plus of the basic subscription. So if you have already a subscription for Headless Browser API, you will benefit of this update without any extra charge. Okay, so this is also available now in Crawlomatic because Crawlomatic can be combined with Headless Browser API. So Crawlomatic is a WordPress plugin. If you wish to scrape content and import it to your WordPress site, then I recommend using Crawlomatic and combining it with Headless Browser API to also import JavaScript rendered content, and also lazy loaded images and many other stuff that are not usually available to these basic scrapers, which use only direct website downloading. So the websites need to be rendered first in a headless browser to generate all the content they load after the page was downloaded, and this content can also be downloaded and scraped with Headless Browser API. Okay, so if you check the documentation, you will see that the plugin will use by default the pool of 200,000 proxies, and if you don't want to use this and want to use the IP address of the server, this is also possible. In this case, you can set the parameter proxy URL in the API request you make to disabled, or if you are using Crawlomatic, you can set web proxy address list to disabled. This is also the same functionality. Okay, so as you saw, the API was updated. Now it will not get blocked by websites if you make many requests to the same site, and this is a huge feature for it. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you want to see more updates, please subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. And I will be linking in this video's description Headless Browser API and also Crawlomatic. So if you haven't heard of them, go ahead and check them. They are really worth the price invested. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.